Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to write a program in Python to check if two sets are disjoint sets or not. That means we will have two sets and we have to check if both the sets have no anything in common. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, in order to write the program, let's quickly move to VS Code. So first of all, let's create a new file by clicking onto this icon and let the file name be simply code.py. Now in this particular program, the very first thing that we have to do is we have to have those two sets against which or onto which we have to check if they both are disjoint or not. So let these two be the sets, and if you look closely onto this two, then you can see that in name set we have these two things common in name as well as toppers. That means from this it is clear that this is not going to be disjoint, but let's understand how we can write the program. So the main motive of this particular program or of this video tutorial is to understand how exactly we can check if these two are disjoint or not, right? Although in this program the importance of this method or the importance of this check would not look that much important, but this particular small things will be very much helpful when you move later parts of your programming, because these small things would be required in the later parts clearly. So let's understand how we can do that. So in Python we have an inbuilt method called isDisjoint. So with help of isDisjoint, we can directly check if two sets are disjoint or not. So let me show you how you can use this isDisjoint. So since this is going to be a boolean, that is it is going to return as true or false depending on the condition that it is checking. So we will use the conditional statements and let it be if. So the way how to write is disjoint is we need to write the name of the set. So let it be toppers first and then is disjoint, all in small, and within the parenthesis we have to provide the set against which we have to check. So in this situation, what is the name of that set? So it is names, right? So let me tell you that this particular statement will return us true if toppers and names are disjoint, right? So in this statement, if we will write, then what we have to write is we have to simply write that sets are disjoint. Now let's say if our program didn't went to line number 8, then it will go, it will move to line number 9. And when will it move to line number 9? So when the program will return false, that is when toppers is disjoint against names is false, which means that toppers is not as disjoint to names. So simply let's print it that sets are not disjoint. Now let's run it and see it working. See, it's clearly telling that sets are not disjoint. Now let's have another thing. Let's remove the things which was common in both, right? Let's remove it simply. And now you can clearly see that these two are disjoint. Now let's run it again and see it's telling that sets are disjoint. So this is how we can find, or this is how we can check if two sets are disjoint or not in Python. Although this particular program is looking short, but usefulness of this program is very huge when you move later parts of the programming. I hope you understood the things very clearly, but still if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. We will surely try to take it up as soon as possible. So this was all about the video. I hope you understood the things. Thank you.